Hi well-wishers, how are you? Today in this video, we will discuss few questions and answers about Lord Ganesha. First question is, which of the following animal associated with Lord Ganesha? Option A, lion. Option B, elephant. Option C, monkey. Option D, tiger. Guess the answer. Correct answer is option B, elephant. Lord Vinayaka, commonly known as Ganesha, is easily recognized by his elephant head. According to Hindu mythology, Ganesha heads was replaced with that of an elephant after a series of events involving his mother, goddess Parvati, and his father, Lord Shiva. The elephant head symbolizes wisdom, strength, and intelligence. Second question. What is the name of Lord Vinayaka vehicle? Option A, horse. Option B, rat. Option C, peacock. Option D, swan. Guess the answer. Answer is option B, rat. Lord Ganesha vehicle is rat named Mushika. This may seem unusual, but the symbolizes behind that rat is important. Despite its small size, the rat represents overcoming obstacles and the ability to enter any space. Ganesha, being the remover of obstacles, used the rat to show that even the smallest of creatures can achieve great things. Third question. What is the primary role of Lord Vinayaka in Hinduism? Option A, protector of animals. Option B, god of destruction. Option C, remover of obstacles and provider of wisdom. Option D, ruler of the underworld. Guess the answer. Correct answer option C. Remover of obstacles and provider of wisdom. Lord Ganesha is revered as the remover of obstacles and the god of wisdom and learning. People often pray to Ganesha at the beginning of important endeavors such as starting a new business or academic venture, seeking his blessings to remove any challenges in their path and provide guidance and intelligence. Fourth question. Which festival is widely celebrated in honor of Lord Vinayaka? Option A, Diwali. Option B, Navaratri. Option C, Ganesh Chaturdasi. Option D, Holi. Guess the answer. Option C, Ganesh Chaturdasi. Ganesh Chaturdasi is major festival dedicated to Lord Ganesha, celebrating his birth. It is observed with great Hinduism, especially in the Indian states of Maharashtra, Karnataka, and Goa. The festival involves the installation of clay idols of Ganesha in homes and public spaces, along with prayers, cultural events over 10 days. Fifth question. How is Lord Vinayaka usually depicted in terms of his physical appearance? Option A, four arms and a lotus in each hand. Option B, one head with multiple arms. Option C, elephant head, large belly and four arms. Option D, serpent coiled around his body. Guess the answer. Answer is option C. Elephant head, large belly, and four arms. Lord Ganesha is typically depicted with an elephant head, a large belly, and four arms. In his hands, he holds various objects such as a modak, a noose, an axe, and sometimes a lotus. His large belly represents generosity and the ability to digest all experience, good or bad, while his forearms symbolize his omnipotence. If you like this video, please like and share the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you. Signing off, yours Sandhya.